Hi guys. Anyway, I wanna make a quick video here. I have this SeaDoo RXPX 300. It is 2021, and I'll show you that quickly right now in a second. And obviously, sometimes I would take my kids for a ride with me. Now, when I go with the kids, they're basically having a hard time to hold into the SeaDoo because of the handlebar that is it's all occupied and busy and taken with all the wiring, and when we're going over the waves it's kind of tricky to hold on. Other jet skis or personal watercrafts, they have their own kind of additional kids bar that they can hold into that and basically be more safer and hold into the SeaDoo or into the jet ski as you're the ride with the kids. But anyway, so I'll make it shorter. I was thinking a lot about it, how I can do it, and maybe I weld something to make it bracket or so. And here is what I came up with. I'll show you that in a second. Have a look. Okay, so basically this is the SeaDoo. So it's the purple one. Yeah, it has some stains from the water from my rides. But anyway, so here is where the problem is with holding into that. So here is my bracket for the GoPro, and previously my kids were holding into here, so which is also kind of difficult. Now I've added the bracket, they have even less space. What I've came up with is I'm taking this thing off, which is held only by one bolt here at the front. Easy. You take it off, and here is what I'm coming up. So SeaDoo, you know, the SeaDoo is the BRP, and BRP has a big lineup of toys, but also has a big lineup of parts. So here is what I'm doing here now. I am going to install a handlebar here from the SeaDoo, which is this thing. So this comes from SeaDoo. This is a brand new part. I just got it from BRP from the dealer. It costs like 65 or 70 bucks Canadian. So this thing would go in here, and would pretty much will be like what the SeaDoo have for the Summit model, where they can still do all this fun, but then it's rubber, right? This thing is basically, I'm holding my phone with my hand. Basically, this is a heavy-duty rubber. It has these metal aluminum brackets, so I just added 2 of them. Instructions are online, easy. So I'm taking these 4 ones out. These metal brackets would come off because that new metal bracket would hold into the bar. That's about it, basically. I'll put it on, I'll show you that in a second. I don't have any poles to hold into the camera. This is an easy task. Check it out. Okay guys, so anyway, this thing is installed. It just fits like a glove, really so simple. 4 bolts, they're very tight to be tightened up. This thing, if you look it up like that way, so this is rubber and flexible, so that would allow my kids to hold into that. I think it's perfect. The only thing is that the steering pad that we've had, it does not fit right now because of this is built for a handlebar, and I either need to cut some of the rubber over here and then attach it, or I'm gonna look online first and see if SeaDoo has an original part that matches here to cover, because I figured that this handle, that the bar itself, the wheel bar, it is probably the same part for the SeaDoo and SeaDoos, and they might have the original pad that would cover up with a perfect fit in here. So before I cut this one, before I trim this one, I'm gonna look online tonight, and then if I find one, I will get it. If I won't, then I'm just gonna trim that one and or install it back again. There's nothing major here. Basically, you have it all wire in here. Previously was covered, so when you hit your with your face here, so you're not gonna hit with the wires and then protect the wires. But practically speaking, you don't need it, just aesthetics. It's not, the water won't get here, and if it gets here, it's already insulated. And that pad itself, it wasn't 100% watertight anyway, just a cosmetic thing, right, with the 1 bolt. Yeah, but anyway, it works, and I was never able to find a solution for that. I looked on the forums, everybody's talking about it, but then, you know what, since I got my SeaDoo and I saw all the parts that they have, accessories, just said, why not? Let's try. The only difficult was now it's August, and to find a part for the SeaDoo in the middle of August in Canada, it's nearly impossible because they have the parts, but they're in a storage now. So you gotta talk to your dealer and then see if they have it somewhere handy, these parts. And I'll post the part number down below in the description so you know exactly what to get. But anyway, that's the idea. Great feed. I love it, and my kids would love it too. See you.